How to create loop video on Instagram Notes. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the loop video on Instagram Note. So start by opening your Instagram application, and then you will see a chat section on the top right side. When you tap on this, you can either tap on primary, formats, or request. So anyway, on the top side you will see your profile linked on it. Now just tap on your profile and tap on the note option. Now you need to tap on the camera option to create the live video. Now after that, the camera will be on. Now just turn the camera back or front. You will see an section like this. Now you just need to creating the video. Just tap on the and then you are done. Now tap on the add option, and then the loop video is created on your Instagram Notes. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.